Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can implement generic concept in React with TypeScript. We know that generic is a single program that can work on multiple data types. So here we are taking example of that with the help of React with TypeScript. For that I have this demo component generic example. Same we have this calculator also. So first of all I just try to make a calculator that will perform the generic calculation. For that, here I say I have a property val1 val2 of type. Here I say calprops and here I create interface. I say calprops and here I specify t, the data type, and here I say val1 of number means t type, then val2 of t type. Save this. Now we have to specify here the t like this. Problem is here that it not identified by this. So for that what I need to do, I need to specify here that I have a t that is extends with empty blocks like this. So as I extend it with empty object, then automatically this t is included here and we will pass at the runtime t and that value will be decided here. Now what I do here, I say result is equal to and I say calculation. What is calculation? Calculation is a function that I am going to create here. I say const calculation, and in this function what I do, I just do calculation if I say val1, we say type of val1 equal to number, okay, and type of val2 equal to number, then we return val1 plus val2, otherwise we return val1, we do concatenation val2. Save this. You see that we have called this calculation here. So now we will call this generic cal and we will pass to property. Now we come here and here we design the screen. So I say h2 and I say generic example React with TypeScript. Save this. Now what I do, I say br tag. Here I say form. So under the form we say input type equal to, I say text, then I say value. That value is we specify num and we can say here num1, then on change we have here like this and we say set num1 and we specify here e and here we say e dot target dot value and just I close it here. Save this. Now I define this, I say const and I say num1 set num1 equal to use state and we say it is a number type and we specify 0. Save this and here we have the problem, so we can specify it a string also because we will convert it later on. Now we have one input we just do once again, and I do br here. Save this. Here I say num2, here I say num2. So again I just copy paste and I say num2, I say num2. Save this. Okay, now what I do, I also specify br tag, then I specify radio button. So I say input type equal to radio, and in radio button what I say value equal to, I say string type, then I say on change we specify here e, and then we specify here radio button value. So what I do here, so I say set choice, that e dot target dot value, and that I will create here choice. So I say const choice set choice equal to use state string, like that way. Save this. Now here I need to close this. So this is one radio button. Here I say checked equal to, and I say check value is choice equal to string. So we are just matching choice here. Again I copy this, I paste it, and I say br here. Save this. And if you will see, so we have this kind of layout, and I have to specify the value also. So after this choice I say string, and after this choice I say number, and here I say placeholder, and I specify here enter number 1, enter value 1, not a number. Similarly I specify placeholder for this also, that is number 1 and that is number 2. Save this, and you see that we have enter number 1. If I select this, both are selecting here, so we have to make a choice here. So what I do here, I say if choice is equal to string, but if choice is equal to number, then so here I select. We are not able to check this, so now I need to display value also. So here is problem, because we have to specify here number, not a string. Save this. So you see now it will work. We have a string and number, both are working. Now what I have to do, I have to specify here the value and condition we have to check. So here I need to specify the choice equal to, if it is a string, then we need to create calculation. So I say generic cal, and here I pass val1 to num1, and here I say val2 to num2, and I specify closing tag. I just then support this, and once again I call this generic call, copy this, paste this, but now I have to convert this in integer, parse int, like this. Similarly I have to pass here also parse int. Save this. We have here parse int, spelling mistake. Save this. And now you see the generic calculator. Here I pass 12, I pass here 13. If I say number, it's automatically coming. If I say string, so it's 12 and 13 is coming. If I say number, it's calculating a number. I say here 56, you see number is coming. And if I say string, and if I display like Dr. Vipin, and I say classes, and I say string, you see we have a concatenation. If I say number, it is not possible, so we have to convert into number. So I say it's convert into number, so we are able to do concatenation also here. So you see that with the help of this generic concept, generic calculation, we specify these value as a t. At a runtime, I am passing the value that if it is a string, then we have to call this. If it is a number, then we have to convert these value, because these are by default a string. So we convert into number, and then we have to call this function, and we have to call the result. So I can remove this semicolon also. Now you see we have a proper result and it's working perfectly. So like this way you can use a generic concept also in React with TypeScripts. That's all in this video. If you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.